Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, some equations or formulae related to belt drive are explained. We will start with equation to find length of the open and cross belt drive. Derivation to get these equations is already explained in previous two videos. So velocity ratio is the third equation I am going to explain. The velocity ratio is defined as the ratio of driver pulley speed in RPM to driven pulley speed in RPM. So we'll start with linear speed equation, that is pi d1 n1 is equal to pi d2 n2. On simplifying this equation, we can see n1 by n2 is equal to d2 by d1. It is called as the velocity ratio and it is unitless. Now here we will discuss about three different cases, starting with A, that is T is considered. T is nothing but the thickness of the belt, which will remain same throughout the length of the belt. So when thickness is considered, n1 by n2 is equal to d2 plus t divided by d1 plus t. Second condition is when the slip of the belt is considered. In this case, the equation will modify like this: n1 by n2 is equal to d2 by d1 into 100 divided by 100 minus s. And in the third case, when both slip and thickness of the belt are considered. The equation will be written like this: n1 by n2 is equal to d2 plus t divided by d1 plus t into 100 divided by 100 minus s. Now let us discuss about power transmission. It is nothing but power transmitted from driver pulley to the driven pulley. So since power transmitted is directly proportional to the tension in the tight side and slack side, we can write the equation as P is directly proportional to T1 difference T2. Also we can write this equation as P is equal to velocity into T1 difference T2. Velocity is measured in meter per minute and T1 difference T2 is Newton. So the final unit is Newton meter per minute. But power transmission must be in kilowatt. Meter per minute is converted into meter per second by dividing the equation by 60. Therefore, the final equation can be written as P is equal to V into T1 difference T2 divided by 60 into 1000. 1000 is divided in order to write the final answer in kilowatt. So we'll discuss one more equation here. Fifth equation is ratio of belt tension. It is the ratio between tension in the tight side divided by tension in the slack side. So T1 by T2 is equal to e raised to mu theta, where mu is coefficient of friction whose value is always less than 1, whereas theta is the surface angle contact or simply angle of contact. It is the angle of contact between the surface of the belt and the pulley. We can rewrite this equation as log T1 by T2 is equal to mu into theta into log E. Log E value is 0.4343. So the equation can be finally rewritten as log T1 by T2 is equal to 0.4343 mu theta. This theta angle value will be different for open and cross belt drive. So we'll discuss both the equations separately. Initially, first one is open belt drive, and on the right side I'll take cross belt drive. So in case of open belt drive, theta is equal to 180 minus 2 alpha. Alpha is called as angle of flap, whereas for cross belt drive, theta is equal to 180 plus alpha. In order to find out alpha, we use the equation sin alpha is equal to r minus r divided by L, or alpha is equal to sin inverse of r minus r divided by L. On the right hand side, in case of cross belt drive, sin alpha is equal to r plus r divided by L, or alpha is equal to sin inverse of r plus r divided by L. Using calculator, we can find out alpha angle if radius values and length values are known. So alpha is called as angle of lap.